Mrs. Berg, may I use the restroom?
Sure, Susie, just make sure to sign out first. When creating a pass for yourself, you can enter your name, student ID number, or email address. Once you see your name pop up on the screen, click on it. You will then see options for every pass you are able to create. The options will change based on the room from which you are creating the pass. Since Susie is coming from the library, she's only able to create a pass for Upper O and G Wing bathrooms. Click on where you're going. You have the option to adjust the pass time if you'd like, but it's not necessary. When you're ready to exit the room, click Start Pass. A timer will begin for your pass, and you may head to your destination. The timer will continue to count down. If you are gone too long, the timer will turn red to alert the teacher to your extended absence from the classroom. Once you return to the room, you will need to make sure to end the pass by hovering over your name and clicking End Pass. If you'd like to come to the library to work with a partner or on a project during your study hall, you need to make sure to get a pass from your subject teacher ahead of time. For example, if you and your lab partner need to finish up a report, both of you would have to talk to your science teacher beforehand so that they can write you a pass to dismiss you from study hall. Students are not able to create Smartpasses for themselves to come to the library. If you have any other questions about how to use the new Smartpass system, feel free to come pay me a visit in the library and I'll be happy to help you out. Have a great school year.